Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
How you doing today? So we do really well with these sandy coin-operated kiddie rides. We try to keep them in stock. However, they're not all that plentiful, so we're always trying to look for them. And they sell very well. So this is another one. Once again, when we do restorations on really nice pieces, there's absolutely no expense spared. We go all the way out, do everything we can, put all the money in it we can to make it just super cool. 1950's coin-operated kiddie ride. Everything gets disassembled. Everything gets brand new car paint. All the chrome is done. It gets a brand new saddle. This particular one, we put a brand new motor in it, as well as we put brand new music in it with a volume control. This is done in a candy apple root beer. So it's really kind of quite a process to get this finish on it, as well as it's kind of a special technique that we use because everything is clear coated. So this white goes on, then we color sand it off to make it look like a foot. It's really neat the way we do it. As well as in the tail, there is dark black hair, as well as in the mane, and you'll see that in the close-ups. We have been able to put a nice black mane in it. The thing runs good, quiet, brand new motor, got music, and in our opinion, there's only one song that we could put in it, and that's Bonanza. We put it in each and every one for those of you who are maybe our age or a little younger, who don't love Bonanza. It's got to be the greatest music for a coin-operated horse kiddie ride you can put. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to play it for you. Once again, there's a volume control on it back here. So I kind of turned it up so you can hear it good, but you could turn it all the way off if you desire, or it will go a little louder. The other nice thing about these is they didn't mess around. When you got a kid on here and you put the diamond, this thing took off. Oh my God, here we go, right? It gave you a good ride. So let me fire it up here and let's go for it. Let me fire it up here and let's go for it. One more time. So once again, folks, these are really, really cool. I just sold one of these to a grandfather back in Florida. We shipped it out to him. He called me. He just said, Jim, the restoration is over the top. My grandkids absolutely love it. I could hear it playing in the background. So they're just beautiful, fun pieces, and they're a nice little investment. So if you're looking for this, we will just get a blanket wrap. We will have it delivered right to your door, one phone call. Call us, buy it, get a hold of us, and we take care of everything. All you got to do is pay for it, and we'll have it delivered to you. Once again, everybody, thanks for watching our videos. We appreciate your chiming in and what you say about them. You tell us a lot of really nice things, and we appreciate it. You keep watching them. We'll keep doing them. Thanks a lot, folks.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent, in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the